Hey guys, welcome to ProPrat. Now, there are a lot of new YouTubers on YouTube and they're facing the same problem, how to become big on YouTube. So what you do is that you search how to get views on YouTube with zero subscribers, and then you come to these pages. But now you're gonna click on them, watch them, and then you're going to realize that they are good, but their ideas actually do not work out. So I'm gonna tell you what they actually do. So what they actually do is that they will give you some random tips which are good on the channel, and then they will give a link in the description which will ask you to go to a masterclass. So you will do that masterclass, and then you will realize that he was really good, but then they're asking you to pay for a better masterclass, and that masterclass actually works. So okay, let's get back to the topic. So then they're gonna ask you to pay $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, and you don't have to do that because those ideas won't actually work. I mean, they work for a lot of people, but not for the mainstream YouTubers nowadays. These are 1 year old, 2 years old. They won't work now. Now the whole thing is different. I'm gonna teach you how you're gonna do it on YouTube now in 2020 without any money. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So before I start, I'm gonna talk about the first 5 topics that we need to cover in this first episode on how to become a proper YouTuber, because I'm gonna make a lot of episodes because YouTube is a huge area. It's like sports. You play football, you need to learn a lot about it, but YouTube is like the same thing. So never underestimate YouTube. It's tough. Okay, so we're gonna divide the class today into 5 different parts. The first part is the thumbnail and the title. So what are the 3 topics you need to remember when you make a thumbnail? First is clickbait. Clickbait is one of the most important parts of thumbnailing. Now, what does clickbait mean? Clickbait means to interact your users with something which is cool, which is going to make them click on your thumbnail. For example, like this is a very clickbaity image because the title is How Lucky We Got in Minecraft. So obviously clickbait does depend on your title. Like if your title is clickbaity, then your thumbnail also should be perpendicular or corresponding to the title. Otherwise there's no fun in clickbait. Now we are on the second topic, which is KISS. KISS is very simple. The meaning of KISS is keep it short and simple. So you're gonna keep your title short and simple. Do not edit it a lot. Edit it a little, make it a bit cool and clickbait. That's it. And the third one is on the topic. Now, on the topic means that you make your thumbnails depending on your topic. For example, if you're playing Minecraft, then make the thumbnail on Minecraft and not make the thumbnail on FIFA. Very simple. Okay, let's go to the next point. So now we get to the next topic. Topic number 2, which is keywords. Now what is keywords? Keywords are basically what the person who is searching for your video will type in the search bar and it will receive your video. Now basically, if you do not know how to give the keywords on your channel, then your channel is fucking useless because people cannot find your channel. So in order to give keywords, you need to find proper keywords, think with your brain on how to make a keyword. So basically the keywords should also have the same properties, except that it just needs to be short and simple and catchy. Okay, so your keyword needs to be KISS, which is short and simple. It should be on the topic, and the most important thing is that it needs to be catchy. Now what do I mean by the word catchy? For example, you're making a video on how to cook rice. So you're not going to say cooking rice or cooked rice. You're going to type in the keyword spot how to cook rice. You got it? Or you can type how to cook rice in 2 minutes. Those are the kind of keywords that people will type on the search bar when they search for your video. So you gotta think what you would have done in their place, and then you're gonna add your keyword. Very simple. Let's move on. For example, so now the third part that we need to talk about, the most important part, is traffic. So you learn how to give a thumbnail, you learn how to give a title, you learn how to give keywords. But what do you need them for? Traffic. So how to get traffic is another big question. We're going to answer that in another video, not this one. This one is just the main points, and then I'm going to elaborate on them in the next videos to come. But now, what is traffic? Traffic is when people watch your video. So basically, the money from YouTube doesn't come from likes or subscribers. It comes from traffic and advertisements. Fuck all that. Okay. So there are basically 3 types of traffic. The first one, the most important one, is the clickbait traffic or the click traffic. So it comes when people search your video and get your video and click on your video. So that's what traffic comes from. The second one is suggestion traffic. So when you watch a video, supposedly you are watching how to get Pikachu in Pokemon Go. Suppose like you're watching that, and then on the right you're gonna get some other videos under a list called suggestion. That is how your videos can also get suggested. If you make the videos have proper thumbnails, have proper keywords, then YouTube will also show your videos in the suggested list. Very simple. Third one is not the most important one. It is sharing. So you can share your videos on blogs, YouTube, on vlogs, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, Twitter, and all those important websites and social medias. That's how you're gonna get share results, and that's how you're gonna get share traffic. So let's continue now. Now we're at the end of the video, and at the start of the video I said that these are all fake and wrong. Even in the thumbnail you can see that. So basically these are not fake and wrong, but what they do is they share the main aspects, but they do not share the actual main aspect. So they share what they think is the main aspect and not the actual aspect of YouTube. The actual aspect of YouTube is dark and complex, and that is going to be described by us in the next video. But if you give this video 10 likes, then we're going to move on to the next one, and I'm going to show you not 5 secrets but 5 dark secrets that you need to know in order to become big on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.